So, hi dear Cancer, a very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a journal of reading for all the Cancer, Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising. Keep in mind, this is general, it might or might not resonate with you at the first place. The second thing, the roles can be reversed also. Third thing, this is a reading from 12th till the 18th of August for those who are in complete no contact or no communication and wants to know what's going on the other side. If it is not resonating, it's not your story, you can just skip the video. If you want to be a professional tarot card reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. The link is in the description box for the same. If you want to start your self-healing journey with Ho'oponopono but don't know from where to start, you can definitely start by purchasing my masterclass. Again, the link is in the description box for the same, and it has the power to change your life for the rest of your life. Trust me on that. I'm doing it from a very long time now. And if you want one-on-one healing sessions or personal readings, you can check out the description box and you can mail me for the same. So let's start. Cancer, your person that you're in no contact or no communication with, their current feelings for you right now at this present moment. Let's see. Cancer. We have the Judgment, the Hanged Man, the Wheel of Fortune. Bottom of the deck is the King of Cups. Okay, this person is still having a lot of love towards you, a lot of feelings towards you. In the background, this person can't stop loving you. This person can't stop caring for you. This person can't stop thinking about all the love that you gave to them, kind of a deal. Okay, this person feels like asking for forgiveness. They're stuck on you and they're waiting for the wheel to turn in their favor so that they can come forward towards you and ask for forgiveness and ask for second chance, might be, or ask for this energy of I fucked up, I messed up, please give me another shot, please give me another chance, or at least forgive me for whatever I did with you. Now this person, I think they cheated on you, they lied to you, they did something really bad behind your back and you got to know about it. Now this person is regretting whatever they did with you. Now this person is living in some kind of guilt, and now this person is feeling the love that you gave them. Okay, I think this person took you for granted. This person took you ultimately for granted, and when something came out and when you are not in touch with them anymore, when you are moving on from this person, now this person is feeling the guilt and the regret, and now this person is feeling like asking for forgiveness and maybe another shot. But they feel like right now is not the right time to do or say or react to the situation. Maybe they have this plan of in the future, when the timing is going to be right, they will connect with you, reconnect with you, and explain the situation to you in some way, shape, or form. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them, Cancer? Wow. Their intention is to wow. Their intention is to give this illusion of them walking away from you. They want you to wait for them. It's like they want to give you this illusion that they are no longer interested in you. They are walking away from you. They don't give a shit to you. They don't give a damn. But their intention is to come back around after waiting. When you are not going to react, when you are not going to say anything, when you are going to completely move on, then their intention is to come back towards you. Right now they want to give you this fake sense of I'm working on myself, I'm doing my own job, I'm doing a lot of work, I am putting in the effort and energy in my work, and I don't care about you, I don't care about this connection anymore. But they're waiting for the time when they can sneak back in your life in some way, shape, or form. In the background, if this is the Queen of Wands, this person still wants to manipulate you in some way, shape, or form to sneak back in your life. Still the same asshole. They haven't changed. They haven't changed. Their plan is still to manipulate your energies in some way, shape, or form. Right now, they want to give you this illusion that they are moving on from you, they're walking away from you, they don't even care about you. But they're waiting for the time when they will be able to sneak back in your life and make it hell again. Oh my god. Such a sneaky asshole you're dealing with. I don't know, Cancer, what is happening, but this is their plan to give you this illusion that they are the one who's leaving you, they are the one who's walking away from you, they don't give a shit, they don't give a damn. It's like that. Let's see what action is this person going to take towards you, if any, by the 18th of August. We have the Emperor, the Five of Swords, the Two of Cups. Bottom of the deck is no action from this person's side. I'm telling you, this person going is going to put on this fake mask, or this facade of I don't care about cancer, who cancer, I don't give a damn, I don't give a fuck. But inside of them, this person loves you. This person still cares for you. Love doesn't mean that somebody's dying for you. Love means somebody's having feelings for you, but they are continuously denying those feelings. They're continuously putting on this mask and this facade of I don't give a damn, I don't give a fuck, I don't even care about cancer, who cancer. So they are going to put on this mask because you know how sneaky this person is. You know how manipulator and how much of a cheater or liar kind of a person this is, because you got to know about them. They are now putting on this mask of I don't care about cancer. It's like trying to have this fake ego, trying to have this fake facade that I am the one who is leaving cancer, I'm the one who is walking away from the situation, I'm the one who don't care about the situation, but it's the reverse. So even if they are going to feel the love and feel this urge to connect with you, they are not going to do anything about it. On a soul level, this person is trying to heal, this person is trying to change. But on a human level, this person is still the same as whole as you left them. So I don't think you should go back to this person at all, Cancer. Even if you're dying for them, I'm telling you, let it hurt, but let it go. Because this person is still the same. Their energies are still the same, sneaky, um, uh, deceptive. I don't think this person is good for you in any way. Let's see the guidance for you guys in the situation. What is the universal guidance for you guys for this? We have the Ace of Wands. Move towards a totally fresh person or totally fresh energy. Start doing something that you're really very, very passionate about, whether it's like painting, dancing, going out, hiking, or making new friends, or whatever you feel like you are passionate about in your life and that makes you happy. Move in that direction, but leave this person behind and never look back, because they haven't changed even an ounce. This person is still the same as you left them. So better to let it go, honey. Yeah. So thank you so much for tuning in, Cancer. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. God bless you. Namaste.